Okay guys, welcome from Colombo in Sri Lanka. I've been here for a couple of days. I just wanted to make like a quick video, like a short video to do like a raw first impressions of this, and to tell you a bit what my opinion is so far. I've just been a couple of days here, so there's not much to say about it, but also I apologize if I sound a bit weird. I've been battling a small sickness, mostly because of the AC. It's actually the first place where I'm staying where the AC stays on all night, which is usually what gets me, and that's why I never used to travel also on the bus with when there's AC. I always prefer the non-AC versions. Even in India you can see I take a few non-AC buses because the AC usually gets me, so that's why I sound a bit sick, and I might also have like a small throat infection. But you know, I went to good old Dr. Google and I searched some stuff on how to fix it, and basically I'm just doing like, I don't know how you call it in English, like a gurgle, like with just salt and water, and they're working really nicely. I usually get these like throat sickness, sore throat stuff, throat infections once every few months. I should really do some tests to check that everything is good. My doctor recommended that, but of course I'm too much of an idiot to do it, but I'll try to do it sometime soon. But for now I'll try to walk it off. So anyways, this video I just wanted to like say this is the first country like when I'm coming for the first time, and the first impression within the first 2 hours after I got to Colombo, which was in a very early morning, is that I want to move here. I want to live here, and I was already searching for long-term rents and how can you get it and stuff like that. So, and I don't know how to describe it because I've only been 2 days here, but it's just like a vibe. When you get a vibe about a place, you know, about the people, about the food, about everything, about the lifestyle, I just got this vibe that this is the place to be, and I love it. And even though it's you know, it's a bad time for the country right now, I still don't find anything wrong, you know, with the country. And of course I'm sure everything will be fine in the end. The Sri Lankan people seem like, you know, they are very strong, and so they will probably get over it. Not probably, for sure, like I'm sure of it, and it's just a matter of time, how long and how. So everything is fine for me here. I love it, I just love it. And the main thing is that I arrived on a very early flight. Like I think I landed at 3 in the morning, then I just hung around for 1 hour in the airport, and then I got on a bus to the 4th railroad, and then I was just starting to walk to my accommodation around. Oh, dogs like to make noise here also. So I just started to walk towards my accommodation, which was like 5 kilometers, and with my huge backpack it wasn't fun at all, and I didn't sleep for at least 2 nights in India before coming here, so it was a difficult one. And I ended up in the middle of a protest actually. But even there, like everything at first, just so you understand how protest is here, at first I thought they are celebrations because it was actually New Year, and it was actually also a full moon, so I thought it's some kind of a celebration because it was 6 a.m. you know, why would anybody be out at 6 a.m. if not for having fun? But it wasn't. So I'm not going to get too much into it because I don't have a lot of information. Also, I'm not a journalist and I don't know how to portray the situation, so you won't be seeing much of this on the Sri Lanka vlogs because I don't want to do more damage than good, you know, with my actions. So I would rather be neutral. But just so you understand, maybe I'll actually put a clip here. I'll have to check if I still have it. Just I filmed it. That was like at 6 a.m. That is the sickness. It was like at 6 a.m. so you can just see how peaceful it was. It's not police around, and I don't know, it's amazing. Like, and you just get this vibe about the country. I can't put it in words. You just get like this vibe that something is working, something is nice, and I'm sure when they get back on their feet, when the country gets back on their feet, it's just going to be absolutely amazing. So yeah, the first impression is just genius. It's like I said, I was already searching for long-term rents and stuff, and I'll be exploring the country for the next weeks, and I'll have to see how it's going. Hello. And I have to see, you know, how it's going, and if my experience changes in any way, or it goes to the south, you know, it goes bad, it goes better. Let's see how it goes. But this is just the only thing I wanted to say in the video, because I felt like I needed to get this off my chest, let's just put it this way. And I just want to grab like a juice, and that's it. Hello sir, how are you? Good? What's your name? Mukmal.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you. I'm Daniel. Are you security here?
No, I'm working on my private.
Ah, okay. Very nice to meet you then. Have a good day at work. Hot, so
Yeah.
stay safe. Awesome people. Yeah, let's just grab a quick drink, and that's going to be the end of the video. I didn't want to make anything very long. Just like I said, I just needed to get this off my chest, because that's the exact feeling that I had when I arrived. So within the first 2 hours of being here, you get that feeling about the country. I think it's bound to be something special, so I think it's going to be a very nice upcoming few videos, or several videos, depending on how much we manage to shoot. I think the problem is that if the country is so nice, I won't have so much motivation to video it, but I'll try to do my best, because I just want to enjoy it. I just want to, you know, not be free, let's say like that. But I'll try to do it. I promise I'll try my best. Let's see if we can just find the juice somewhere. Just look at this amazing temple. It's the same style of temple I've seen in South India, the only places that I've seen them. But just look at it. Let me just stop here. Not sure how well can you see it, but it's like absolutely amazing, absolutely amazing. I think it's closed, so we can't really go in and check it out, but it's definitely extremely impressive. Where is it? There it is. Extremely impressive. The juice seems to be a harder mission than I thought. I just want like a simple orange juice to get some vitamin C to help me fight off this intruder that I have inside. Oh, there's like some fruits there. I don't know if there's juice. Oh, is that a juicer? Let's see. Let's cross the street and see if we can find. Colombo is much more civilized than other countries that I've been in last time. So jailwalking is not, you don't see so much jailwalking here like in India, like in Egypt. Apologies. You don't see that much jailwalking, but I'm going to do it still, and I hope I don't find out the hard way if they give a fine or not for jailwalking. But let's try it. Okay, this looks like a good time. Okay, bad decision, but we made it. Let's see this one, the fruit display. You have juice? No juice? Next? Okay, thank you. Hello? Do you have natural juice to drink? Like orange juice?
No.
So fresh out of fruit? Ah, but it's not fresh. It's okay, thank you. He didn't feel like he wanted. Maybe he didn't like the camera. I'm not even sure if he could see it from where he was, but let's try to get some juice. Sorry, do you have natural juice to drink? No? Thank you. How is this so difficult? I thought it will be on every corner, but maybe I'm in the wrong area for getting a juice. There's some vitamins here. Okay, there's no juice here. Okay, fine. Hello. I would like to get a juice. Do you know where I can get?
No juice.
Do you know where there is?
Yeah, but we are going other side.
Okay. Thank you very much. No juice, but we have some direction at least. Equally good. So let's just go. Oh, I need to learn quickly some words in Sinhala. I've been trying to use Google and other stuff, but most websites just give different versions of it. So I don't know which one is more correct or which one is more used. So So I try to just get a local person to teach me some of the words and to try to learn a little bit. I like to do that whenever I'm in a new country, so it definitely helps you blend in and you know, get mixed in the culture. So let's see. Yeah, it's on. So after walking a bit more, I decided to just take a different approach. And I'm just going down a small street towards the sea. Maybe we get, oh, fresh, it's fresh fruits, it's not, so maybe still there's no juice. Let's see. I was getting excited. I was already getting excited. But yeah, I think I'll just grab a water then. Or something. Maybe there is something though. Maybe there is. Let's see. Hello. Do you have juice fruits? Ah, you have. Perfect. Can I have? Do you have orange? Orange, yes. Success. Hi.
Yes.
Just an orange juice, if possible. I should take it. Yep.
Oh no, all finished.
All finished.
Yeah.
What's this? That's grapefruit.
Watermelon, mango, papaya.
Oh wow, so they're better than orange. So my loss, but okay, I'll take a watermelon. Watermelon, yeah, sounds
Or
good.
take away, or you want to have it? You want to have it now or take away?
I can have it now, yeah. I'll probably drink it very fast, so it's fine.
Wow.
How are you? You're good? Oh, thank you very much. Yes, please. You can stick it inside. Yeah, it's fine. I don't mind. Thank you. Wow. I have to mix it. I can handle my own. Wow, this is very nice. I don't think I've ever had watermelon juice natural. This is the first time. What's the shop name? All Fresh?
All fresh.
All Fresh. Very nice. You have a lot of fruits. I might grab some oranges when I come back. I'm going towards the beach now. And what's your name?
Tarushi.
Darushi?
Tarushi.
Tarushi.
T-H-A-R-U.
Oh, where did she come from?
My God.
Was she watching on the phone something?
Yeah.
Sounds like it, yeah. Hi, nice to meet you. Nice to meet you too. Very nice. Is it like a family business?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Very nice to see. Awesome.
You're from?
I'm from Romania. Do you know it? Do you know it? Yeah? This is so good. It's very nice. And refreshing. Thank you very much. And how much is it?
150.
150, yes. Well, here's 200. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
Have a great day. No, it's okay.
No, it's
please,
not-
please,
it's
no,
not
please.
good. It's not good.
Okay. I won't insist. Thank you very much. Enjoy your day. Oh, that was good. I don't know how much vitamin C the watermelon has, but it was very nice. Still working, yes. I'm not sure why they didn't accept the tip. I'm not sure if it's customary or not, or maybe they just didn't accept it because I was being friendly or something. But it was, the juice was nice. They are very nice. I'll try to put the location if I can remember it. I'll try to put the location and give it a go if you are in Colombo. They have a lot of fresh fruit. So okay, that's it. For now, I just wanted a quick first impressions. I think now it's even longer than just quick. Let me just hide this pimple here. Since I've been in more humid places, I've been getting pimples all over. This one is like a hard one. I'm looking forward to see it when it grows, when it blossoms. But it's probably not going to be very nice for you because you'll have to look at it and stare at it while I talk to the camera. So, okay, I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.